Welcome, my lovely students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, my superstars, today we will take Unit 5, Lesson 3 and 4 in our book, Better English Now, and we will take People's Book. First of all, let me tell you what is the day and the date. Today is what? Today is Monday, and the spelling is Monday. And the date is 26/3/1443 after Hijrah. Monday, and the date is 26/3/1443 after Hijrah. We will take a quick revision now, my superstars. The first question is, give me examples of common sports. We have football, basketball, tennis, horse riding, and volleyball. The second question, give me examples of dangerous sports. Scuba diving, hang gliding, skydiving, bungee jumping, and rock climbing. Number 3, what sport do you like? I like basketball and tennis. Number 4, what chores do you do at home? I set the table, I clean up my room, I wash the dishes, and I take out the trash. Today, as I told you girls, we will take and discuss together Unit 5, Lesson 3 and 4 in our book Better English Now, page 22 and 23 girls in our book Better English Now, People's Book, not the activity book, okay? First of all, if I ask you, my superstars, what can you see in this picture? I can see what? Different transportations. What do I mean by transportations, girls? I mean وسائل النقل. Like what? Car, bike, bus, plane, truck, and train. Okay? So I can see different transportations like what? Like car, bike, bus, plane, truck, and train. So we call them, girls, transportation. Transportations, okay? So, the first word in my lesson today is what? What can you see, my superstars? I can see a huge ship. So, I can see what? I can see a huge ship. What do I mean by huge? I mean by huge, very, very big, okay? Huge ship. Huge, ship, ship. So I can see a huge ship. Okay? So now, my superstars, I need you to compare between transportations nowadays and in the past. So in the past, they used camels, horses to travel from one place to another. Nowadays, we use cars, plane, to travel from one place to another, right? So in the past, they used camels, they used horses and donkeys to travel from one place to another. But nowadays, we use cars and planes to travel from one place to another, okay? What can you see here, my superstar? I can see 5 chairs and a table. In this table, we have so many foods, and we call this place dining hall. Dining hall. DININGHALL. So this is a dining hall. It's a place where can you eat some foods, okay? Dining hall. It's a place in your house, okay? Dining hall. DININGHALL. Okay? So the third animal here, we have a sea animal, which is what? This is a dolphin, and the spelling is DOLPHIN. This is a dolphin. This is what? This is a shark. SHARK. This is a shark. Okay? Now read the text that we have, girls. Listen to me carefully. Bayan and her family went to New York on a huge ship. Bayan and her family went to New York. So if I ask you, where did Bayan and her family go? They went to New York on a huge ship. She found her friend Muna. This is what she told Muna about the ship and the journey. So listen to me again. Bayan and her family went to New York on a huge ship. She found her friend Muna. This is what she told Muna about the ship and the journey. The ship is like a small town. It has many small shops, a theater, an enormous dining hall, and two spacious swimming pools. The ship is like a small town. It has many small shops, a theater, an enormous dining hall, and two spacious swimming pools. My sister and I sleep in a tiny room. What do I mean by tiny? A small room. Our room has small round windows. My sister and I sleep in a tiny room. Our room has small round windows. Diane also said, we can look out and see the blue ocean. It is a fabulous journey. My sister and I sleep in a tiny room. Our room has small round windows. Bayan also said we can look out and see the blue ocean. It is a fabulous journey. I can see many beautiful fish. Some are big and some are small. I haven't seen dolphins yet. I can see many beautiful fish. Some are big and some are small. I haven't seen dolphins yet. I hope to see some friendly gray ones in the afternoon. I hope to see some friendly gray ones in the afternoon. I don't like sharks. I am happy because I haven't seen any of them. Have you ever boarded a ship? So, I don't like shark. I am happy because I haven't seen any of them. Have you ever boarded a ship? Okay? So, true or false? Number one, Bayan went to New York on a very big ship. True. 2. Muna received a letter from Bayan. False. 3. Bayan said the ship was like a big town. Of course, false. 4. She told Muna that the ship had a theater. True. 4. She said the ship has two large pools. True. 6. She told Muna that she had seen gray dolphins. False. She said that she didn't like shark. True. 8. She told Muna that it was a wonderful journey. True. She said that she saw fish of different sizes. True. 10. Bayan said that she swam in the ocean. False. Okay? Please, girls, you have to do it like this. Okay? Then sing the song. Sing the song, girls. You said it was an exciting trip on a great big ship. You told me that dolphins swam by and that colorful fish seemed to fly. You told me that the ocean was a sight to see and that you wished you wouldn't leave me. Again, you said it was an exciting trip on a great big ship. You told me that dolphins swam by and that colorful fish seemed to fly. You told me that the ocean was a sight to see and that you wished you would not leave me. Okay? This is the end of my lesson today, my superstars. Goodbye and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, my lovely students.